Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix 2026-01 security update KB5074109262007,623 failed to install in Windows 11. If your Windows 11 update KB5074109 is not installing, then this video is for you. First, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. After the Settings window opens, go to the top right corner and click on Windows Update. Now look for the option Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. If this option is on, turn it off. Then try updating Windows again. If it still doesn't work, follow the next step. Close the Settings window. Now right-click on an empty area on your desktop. Click on New. Click on Text Document. Open the new text document. Now paste the script inside this file. You can download this script from the Google Drive link in the description. From the top left corner, click on File and click on Save As. Choose Desktop Location. Rename the file Windows Update Fix.bat. From Save As type select All Files. Then click Save. Now close the text file. Right-click on the batch file. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Command prompt will open. Press any key to start the process. Wait until the script completes. After completion, it will ask you to restart your computer. Press any key to close. Restart your PC. After restart, check Windows Update again. If still facing issue, make sure date and time is correct. Make sure Windows Update service is enabled. Now your KB5074109 failed to install problem should be fixed. If this video helped you fix KB5074109 Windows 11 update error 26200.7623, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.